Welcome back to Innovin Cake and Cookies. Today I am making a soft, fluffy and perfectly healthy steamed Suji Nashta, a quick breakfast or snack that needs no oil and no frying. Light, tasty, made with simple home ingredients. In a bowl add 1 cup suji, half cup beaten curd, and half cup water. Mix well. And keep aside for 10 minutes so the semolina absorbs the moisture. Now add 2 tablespoons capsicum, 2 tablespoons carrot, 1 green chili, half teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda and 1 tablespoon water. Mix gently to activate the baking soda. Resting the suji batter, ensure a softer texture. Do not overmix after adding baking soda. You can add coriander or sweet corn for extra taste. Now grease the steel bowl with a little oil. Now pour the batter. Now boil some water in a steamer or deep pan. Place the bowl inside and steam for 10 to 15 minutes. Keep the flame medium so the steam cooks it evenly. Your soft and fluffy steamed Suji Nashta is ready to enjoy with chutney or ketchup. Suji is one of the oldest ingredients used in Indian cooking for snacks and sweets. Steamed dishes retain natural flavors without needing oil. Baking soda gives natural fluffiness without yeast. This recipe is kid-friendly and perfectly mess-free. Suji is rich in iron and easy to digest. Steamed snacks are lighter and great for breakfast. Veggies add fiber and vitamins. Low-fat curd boosts gut health naturally. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to like, comment, follow and subscribe to Innovin Cake and Cookies for more simple and delicious homemade dishes.